Hello viewers, this is Nisha H. Kamath. Welcome you to the mathematics class of 7th standard. In today's video, we'll solve some simple equations using balancing method. Let's see some questions from exercise 4.2. The first question is x minus 1 is equal to 0. The question says that the steps to be followed to separate this x from the equation and find its value. Now, how do I solve this? On the left hand side, what do we have? X minus 1 you have. In the balancing method, you have to add the inverse of it. That is minus 1, you should add plus 1. Remember, balancing means both the sides it should be balanced. So, if I add 1 here, I should also add 1 on the right hand side. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So, what remains on the left hand side? X. And what is 0 plus 1 is 1. So, value of x will be 1. How do I check whether my answer is correct or not? You can substitute the value of x in the given equation. That is, you had x minus 1 is equal to 0. What is the value of x we have got? 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Is 1 minus 1 0? Yes. So, 0 is equal to 0. Hand side is equal to the right hand side. So, this answer was correct. Question number B. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, we have x plus 1 in the left hand side. Our intention is to keep only the variable on one side. So, I have to eliminate this plus 1. In order to eliminate plus 1, I have to add it with the inverse, plus 1 minus 1. So naturally here also 0 was already there, minus 1. Again plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, x value remains here, x is equal to 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So value of x is minus 1. The third question, x minus 1 is equal to 5. Here, in order to keep only the x on the left hand side and you have minus 1, you should add 1 here. So, what are you going to do on the right hand side also? Add 1. What remains here is x. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So, value of x is 6. Now, let's try to solve the second question. First sub question in this, 3L is equal to 42. Now 3L, what does this mean? 3 multiplied by L. Intention is again to keep only L, isn't it? So you had 3L here. In order to eliminate this 3, which is multiplication here, I have to divide it with 3. Now 42 should also be divided with 3 in order to balance the equation. 3 ones are get cancelled. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 12 will remain. 3 fours are 12. So, left hand side you have L, which is equal to 14, which is the solution of this equation. If we take the second question, that is b by 2 is equal to 6. Look at this question. Here, in the left hand side, I want to eliminate 2 and it is in the division. So, what should I do? b by 2. In order to remove this 2 from the left hand side, I have to multiply it with 2. Remember here, it was multiplication, so I had to divide it. Here, it was division with 2 in the question, so I have to multiply. If I have multiplied it on the left hand side, I should also multiply it on the right hand side. 2 get cancelled. What remains on this side is only b. 6 2s are 12. Let me take the third question now. See, that is p by 7. P by 7 is equal to 4. 7 is in the division now. In order to get rid of this 7, p by 7 should be multiplied with 7. So naturally, even on the right hand side, I have to multiply it with 7. 7 get cancelled. What remains on the left hand side is P is equal to 7 4s are 28. So value of P is 28. Now the third question. Even though there are 4 main questions under 4.2, basically they all mean the same, that is solving the equation. So the first one is 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. How do I solve it using the balancing method? Remember, whenever you solve a simple equation, what we should finally achieve is variable on one side. So what is the extra thing that you have here in the left hand side? You have one is minus 2 and one is this 3. I need to get rid of these two. Let's do it step by step. Let me keep 3n as it is. Minus 2. In order to get rid of this minus 2, I have to add 2. Isn't it? Whatever I do on the left hand side should be done to the right hand side also. So 46 plus 2. Let's simplify this. 2 get cancelled. So 3n is equal to 46 plus 2 will give you 48. Now, do we have only variable? No, we still have a 3 with n, which is multiplied here, isn't it? So 3n divided by 3 I should do now. So that 48 also will be divided by 3. 3 get cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 18. So 3 6 are 18. Value of n will be equal to 16. Second one, 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. First step is trying to remove this 7. 5m plus 7. 7 is already there. In order to remove 7, I have to minus 7 from this side. So this side also 17 minus 7. Subtracting 7 from both the sides. 7 get cancelled. 5m is equal to 17 minus 7 will give you 10. Here 5m is to be divided by 5. In order to get rid of 5, 10 should also be divided with 5. 5 get cancelled. 5 1s are 5 2s are. Value of m is 2. Question number C. 20p divided by 3 is equal to 40. What are we doing here? We are trying to separate the variable and solve the equation. Which is the variable in this equation? It is p. First let me try to remove 3. So I have to multiply by 3 on both the sides. So 20p divided by 3, which is already given in the question. Multiply here also with 3. So 40 is also to be multiplied with 3. 3 get cancelled. You are left with the 20p is equal to 3 zeros are 0, 4 3s are 12, which is 120. Now I need to get rid of this 20 here, which is in multiplication. So 20p should be divided with 20. This side also 120 to be divided with 20. 20 get cancelled. 0 is cancelled. 2 1s are 2 6s are. So value of p is 6. Fourth main, 10p is equal to 100. Here also the question says that solve the following equation. You have 10p. In order to get rid of 10, I have to divide with 10. So both the sides should be divided with 10. 10 get cancelled. 10 1s are 10 10s are 100. So value of p is 10. All the 4 main questions, whatever the step you are going to follow to solve it is the same. Question number B. 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. How do I solve this? First, we should try to eliminate plus 10. In order to eliminate plus 10, I have to subtract 10. So, 10p plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 100 minus 10. Plus 10 minus 10 get cancelled. So you have 10p is equal to 100 minus 10 will give you 90. How do I get rid of this 10 now? I have to divide it with 10. On both the sides we should divide by 10. 10 get cancelled. 10 ones are 10 nines are. So value of p is equal to 9. The third one, p by 4 is equal to 5. I need to get rid of this 4 which is in the division. So both the sides must be multiplied by 4. 5 is also to be multiplied with 4. 4 get cancelled. P value will be equal to 5 fours are 20. I hope you have understood this. I have worked out only 3 questions from every main question. Try to solve others also in the similar way.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.